The steering wheel is to steer, but it moves the back wheels instead of the front. That's really useful when you need to turn the forklift round where there isn't much room. These levers are for lifting. To move the forks up, I pull this. Inside the cab, I can see all the way down to the ground. To control the spreader, which is what moves the container up and down, I use this joystick here. To move the spreader down, I push the joystick forwards. To bring it back up, I pull the joystick backwards. And then I can use these buttons to fit onto the container.